What we've done is we've actually built a dashboard, and this dashboard is called the Reconcile Cross Check, and you can find it here in this drop-down menu. And what this has is the product, ASIN SKU, total inventory at Amazon, and then inbound to Amazon, total inbound to FBA, which is listed here, and inbound to Amazon ETA, which breaks down each individual order. So in this case, what I've done is I've simulated an error where someone has an FBA shipment here that was created and reconciled, and we can go ahead and right-click on this, open it in a new tab, which is why I like this column, because it's clickable and it shows ETA dates. So here's an FBA shipment that was reconciled for 24 units inbound to Amazon. But if we look down here, we can see that there's also a purchase order with 24 units. Now that's a little bit suspicious because they're both placed at a similar time and they both have an ETA date around August 21st. This one's the 24th. So I'm going to open this one in a new tab as well. And let's take a look at them. Well, it turns out this is the exact same inventory. Someone in my system created a purchase order direct to Amazon. So this one actually leaves the supplier, goes direct to Amazon. This was created last month and it arrives around October 21st as our ETA. But they never reconciled the FBA shipment. What they did is they came into the FBA shipment page and they reconciled this as a one-time shipment, which means it's not reconciled to the PO. It's just reconciled. So we counted this inventory as inbound, and we also counted this inventory as inbound separately, as you can see here. And why is that a problem? Now we think there's 48 units inbound instead of 24. And if we go to the forecast for this product, I will show you exactly why this causes problems. Essentially what's happening is, in this simulated forecast here, the system, based on our order schedule, is trying to get us stocked up to 60 days. Well, we're already out of stock, but we have inventory coming on October 24th or the 21st, whichever one it is. The problem is, now the system thinks we're going to have double the inventory, and therefore they're only telling us to order an additional 33 units. When that 33 units arrives based on our lead time, the system thinks we're going to have 29 units in stock when actually we're probably going to be just about out of stock. So we could actually stock out before this next shipment arrives. That could cause a big problem. So how do we fix that? Well, in this particular example, I want to unreconcile this one-time reconciled shipment, and I simply want to re-reconcile it to that purchase order. So I'm just going to go, and I'll link in this tutorial, I will link you to the tutorial which talks about how to reconcile shipments. You can also find it if you go to helps.sostock.com and just type in the word reconcile, or on our mini course here, it's lesson number 8. So it's easy to find, how to reconcile FBA shipments. But let's just walk through the process since we're doing it. So this is coming from a supplier, and this is just the default no supplier listed. We didn't set up our suppliers yet. It's going straight to Amazon. There's already a PO in the system, and here it is, 24 units. So now I've matched this up, and because I've matched that up, if I go back to my inventory page and I refresh it, now it says I only have 24 units in stock, and same goes for if I refresh this page as well. Now it says I need to order 57 units instead of 33 because the system recognizes that I only have 24 units in stock. But the key there is just, if you want to go double check your inbound inventory, use this reconcile cross check dashboard and see if you have duplicate inventories on 2 different orders in SoStock.